So in this chapter or this video, let's talk about Adobe Photoshop. So the version I'm going to use is Adobe CC version. Of course, you can download from my drive using CS6. It's the same features as well. Don't worry about the version. And everyone knows that Photoshop is the most powerful photo or image editing program in the world. So I feel that you guys should actually master a little bit about this Photoshop. So let's talk about how to create a simple design for our Facebook post. So I go to Google. So the first thing you'll need to know is what is the size that you're going to use for to do your design here. So let's type something here. Facebook post size 2018. So the social media side, there a lot of sizes dimension. So let's talk about the images, and I will click on this image here and have a look on the size that we suggest us to create. So and then another one will be this one. So the sponsor by who, or this is a size that we should use for our post for sponsor. Okay, so this is the size for the thumbnails, and this is the cover size. You can see this is the cover size. So every sizes have a different size, so you need to know that the actual size that we should do. So what we do is, let's talk about this one. So this is how your ad will come out in people's Facebook. So 476249. 476249. I go to new in Photoshop, and this is a new screen, welcome screen from this CC version. So of course we can use the old one, the one that you use in CS6, or same things here. No worry about all these different features here. Okay, so what I do is I go to web here, and then once I'm inside the web, I can type the size that I prefer. So width and height here, you go back to this size here, 476. So see 476, and come back here, 249 for the height. So 249 for the height here, 249. So resolution for the web always 72. Okay, this is the standard. Don't change anything. And that's all. I just press OK, create. So this is the image, the paper they have for us to start doing our design here. So first thing, I can take some pictures. If you're doing a tour for Sabah scenery. Okay, so be careful with the size here. So the size of this image is 720. This image bigger the bigger than of your paper here. So 620 for the width. So our image size here is 476. So it's bigger than about this image here. So it's good. So we can take this one, view image, and take from here, copy image. Okay, again, click on the view. Don't save from here. Just view the image. It will show you the full image size. Copy it and come back to Photoshop and go to paste. So you can see you can move around using this tool. You move around here. Okay, and just use this type 2. Come over here, just type something you want. So I will change my size, so slightly smaller, not too big. Or just marble and hold the mouse and press and drag to right hand side. Visit and the Sabah. Yeah. So just something like this. Then you use these two and you can move around. When to change the size, again go to the type 2. You can highlight them. You can change the size here to smaller or bigger, or you have more option here. Make it not too much. Oops. 36. Okay. And you can change color as well. Click on the color you feel is nice. Okay. Oops. I think I need a very bright color as well. Okay. Okay. Nice. So use these to move tools and move around again. So let's say I want to put some, what do you call it, drop shadow. So you see this is another layer called Visit Sabaya T. That means a type layer. Go to the drop shadow. You can see there's a lot of those things you can do with the drop shadow, distance, split, size. Okay, and press OK. And this is our design and nicely done. What you do, go to the file, export, save for web. So in CS6 you will see some of the pictures is outside here called save for web. Just save for web here. And I use JPEG. So you can use PNG 24, but JPEG will be the smaller file size. Use JPEG. And of course you can change the quality here for the JPEG. So this is 2 up here. This is the original look. It's 400 something K. After you compress with the JPEG very high, it's only 47. It's nice and small. Save. And you can save everyone. Okay. And so have a look at our picture design here. Sabah, double click. So this is our design here. Nice and good. So better don't zoom in too much because 100% will be the final design here. Okay, so thank you so much for watching about this Photoshop.